chief suddenly threw a small knife straight at my head to test if I was really blind.
He was really scared.
Luckily, I conquered my fear and didn't give myself away. The chief thought he had overreacted and left shortly after. Only then did I dare to breathe again. Just yesterday, I witnessed a murder. One of my clients was killed in his own home. The killers were his wife and her lover, and I survived only because I was pretending to be blind. My conscience pushed me to report it, but I never expected the police chief himself to be the murderer. Luckily, my acting was convincing enough to fool him. The victim's wife, Simi, was even better at acting than I was. After the body was found outdoors, she told everyone that her husband had gone to a business meeting with 10 million in cash yesterday and never returned. People were misled into believing it was a robbery and murder. The chief backed her up, and they pinned the whole thing on a random guy. The police summoned everyone who'd seen the victim, forcing them to read from prepared scripts. Listening to the fabricated statements, I could no longer sit still.
मिलकर प्रमोशन का खून किया, बॉडी को पैक कर दिया, बैग के अंदर अंगूठी निकली, तोड़ दिया टुक करके यार। मैं देख सकता हूँ सीन चल रहा है, इन दोनों बिल्कुल विश्वास कर रहे हैं औरत पे, क्या बकवास कर रहा है? अपनी बीवी को झूठ बोल रहे हो?
Yet it was only my fear playing tricks on me. Speaking the truth would likely have meant being killed, so in the end I had no choice but to sign the statement, my hands trembling as I pretended to consent. I thought it was finally over, but fate wasn't done with me. I was invited to teach piano to a wealthy man's daughter. The moment the elevator doors opened, my luck ran out. Terrible luck. I wasn't sure if Simi had noticed my panic, so I forced myself to stay calm and walked up to the rich man's door to knock, but no one answered. The tension was unbearable until someone downstairs discovered the old neighbor's body, which unexpectedly eased the situation for me. I couldn't fucking believe those useless cops missed it again, claiming the old woman just fell off the balcony while watering plants. I ran like a madman straight home, thinking that deranged Simi might be trying to wipe out everyone involved. Fear like I've never felt before slammed into me, cold and crushing, and I knew I could be next. I called my girlfriend and told her to come over, hoping she'd get there before things got worse. But just as I hung up, Simi showed up at my door. I tried to stay calm, pretending nothing was wrong, though every move she made put me on edge. When we sat down for coffee, she pulled out a small bottle of something I didn't recognize and poured it straight into my cup, bold as ever. I couldn't drink it. I faked a clumsy spill, but the next
मुझे मालूम था। बंद करो ये नाटक। चश्मा उतारो।